welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be showing how to make this ideal Christmas cookies. In fact, it's not just a Christmas cookies, it's a cookie you can make during the normal day, make for your kids, and this cookie is very delicious. I hope you enjoy it. So the ingredients I'm going to be using are some flour, sugar, egg yolk, 2 egg yolk, salt, fresh milk, butter, or you can use margarine for this recipe. So these are the ingredients I'm going to be using. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to melt this butter over double boiler. So I'm going to melt it, then I will bring you back. I'm going to mix the flour and the sugar together with a pinch of salt, just a little bit of salt. Then I'm going to add the egg yolk, after adding the egg yolk, I'm going to add the butter. Then I'm going to mix them all up together with a fork. So after doing that, I'm going to add 35 ml of fresh milk. 35 ml. You can double this recipe. You can choose to make a little, depends on the quantity you want to make. So now I'm going to take out the fork and use my hand to knead everything together. You need to knead this thing on this. You need to knead them until they are well combined, like until you knead them very, very well. You can use a shopping your board, or you can use the kitchen board to do this. All you need to do is to make sure that you knead them very, very well. So as you can see, I'm done kneading the dough. You can allow them to rest, or you can go ahead to make your cookies with your cookies cutters or anything you want to use to make the cookies. Well, I'm going to go ahead now to start making them. Use your cookies cutters to get them on. Okay, I'm going to sprinkle some flour on my working board. Then I'm going to add the dough. Knead them a little bit with a little bit flour. As you know, when you're making your cookies, the less flour you use, the better the cookie comes out. So when you're doing this, make sure you are using a less flour to knead them before cutting them. Don't overflow them, okay? So now I'm going to roll them out before I start cutting. And while you're rolling them, depends on the thickness you want your cookies to be. If you want them to be very light, you can roll them light, but if you don't want them light, you can roll them a little bit thicker. Okay, the cutter I'm going to be using first is this Christmas shape cutter. Like I said, you can use any cutter of your choice to do this. So I'm going to be mixing them, not only the Christmas cutter, I'm going to be using some other cutters to do this, but I'm just showing you because we are in the Christmas season, so this is why I'm using it. Like if it's in a normal time, I'm not going to be using them. So this is what they looks like with the Christmas cutter. So I'm going to place them now on my oven tray. then I'll go ahead to do the remaining one. So guys, this is what I got from 200 grams of flour. So I'm going to send them to the oven now and allow them to bake until they are well baked, which is going to take me about 15 minutes, or until you know that they are well baked when they change color, which I'm going to be showing you what I meant by that when I remove them from the oven. Okay, so yeah, make sure you preheat your oven before you start rolling them. This is important because they need to be baked in hot oven at 180 degrees. The aroma in my house is wow. These cookies is so delicious. It's already delicious before coming out of the oven, guys. You need to give it a try. So guys, as you can see, the cookies are cooked. If you want them to brown more, you can go ahead to allow them to brown more, or if you don't want them to brown more, make sure you don't allow them to stay more than 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes in the oven. Okay, so this is the final result. These cookies, the aroma is so delicious, guys. You need to give it a try, and I'll be coming up with 2 more cookies recipe for this Christmas, and I already have other cookies recipe here on my channel, which I'm going to be linking at the description box for you guys to see. Okay, in case if you want to try this one and other different recipes. I'm going to allow this to cool down. In case if you want to sandwich them with a jam, which I'm going to be doing, like strawberry jam, I'm just going to sandwich it. I'm going to be showing you when I'm doing that. So yes, so guys, the final touch I'm going to give to this cookie, in case this is optional, you can actually have them like this. They are very good. You can choose not to. You can choose to add jam, just to add jam on them. I'm using a apricot jam to do this. Then you sandwich them just like this. Voila, and you have them. You can use any jam of your choice. That is one good thing about this. You can use strawberry jam, you can use plum, anything, any jam of your choice. You can use them. You can even use cream cheese if that is what you love to use, or you can just have them this way. Whichever way you want to have them, they are pretty good and it's very delicious. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching this video, guys. If you do, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share this video, and I will see you in my next one. God bless you. Bye.